The journey begins with advanced composite structures, forming the unique flying wing shape of the B-2.
Absolute precision is mandatory when assembling the heavy-duty titanium structural backbone.
The radar absorbent material coating is sprayed by robot, the key to its legendary stealth capability. Inside the engine bay, heat-resistant tiles are installed to suppress the infrared thermal signature.
Intricate installation of the massive fuel bladders inside the vast wing structure. The heavy-duty landing gear system is installed, ready for transcontinental missions.
The control surfaces are activated, operating via the advanced digital fly-by-wire system.
Miles of fiber optic cabling form the central nervous system, highly sensitive and robust.
Installation of the eyes. AESA radar allows the B-2 to observe targets in all weather conditions.
A modern digital glass cockpit where tactical information is displayed intuitively.
The ACEI ejection seats are installed, ensuring maximum safety for the two-person crew.
The General Electric F-118 turbofan engine, a non-afterburning power source operating in near silence.
The engine is buried deep within the airframe to minimize both noise and thermal signatures. S-duct intakes and V-shaped exhaust nozzles help mask the engine from enemy radar sensors. The vast internal bomb bay opens, housing immense nuclear and conventional deterrent power. The rotary launcher system allows for the flexible deployment of precision-guided smart bombs. Integration of the defensive management system sensors flush onto the stealth airframe. The gold-tinted cockpit windshield helps block radar energy from entering the cockpit. The aerial refueling receptacle door is tested, enabling unlimited global reach for the B-2.
Final structural bolts are torqued by hand, completing the core airframe assembly.
A final pressure test validates the integrity of all critical internal systems. Nabbing the tactical software and security protocols is the final step for mission readiness. Testing inside an anechoic chamber to verify the aircraft's ultra-low radar cross-section.
The legendary matte black-gray topcoat, forming its final signature shadow appearance.
A specialized UV light inspection ensures the coating is pristine with zero imperfections.
Fueling with JP8, the lifeblood for the first engine ground tests.
Engine ground tests, awakening the powerful heart, echoing through the night.
The massive hangar doors open. The moment of rollout has finally arrived. The finished B-2 Spirit 2026, rolling out to fulfill its mission of preserving peace. Takeoff. The B-2 Spirit, pinnacle of stealth technology and global air power.